Hey guys, well, I had to do a new video because the other one got copyrighted, so we'll do a new one. Like what I said, I'm not a very smart person, so whatever I do, I might do something wrong. But this is from, I think this clip is from, I'll just put the name on the screen, but technically I'll be borrowing this clip today. Um, so we'll be reviewing Flying Fish at Tokyo Disney Sea. And this is just a family roller coaster, but I'll tell you what it is because I've never ridden a family coaster like this before. So anyway, let's kick things off. So you're gonna turn to your right side and proceed to a lift hill, not very tall. This is mainly for the families. So you'll cross on the top. So once you cross to the top, you will see the palace in front of you. You'll just do this crazy turn and then you just drop a little bit, basically. So just gonna turn around a lot, do these banking turns, go to this helix thing. So you'd be just turning around all the way, kind of turning onto the left side and go over the water. But I don't think you're gonna get wet on this ride. Probably not much. But there are water that sprays you, but you probably might not get wet that much. And then you hit the brakes and the ride is over. So about Flounder's Flying Fish, yeah, it's just a typical family coaster. If I were a kid, I probably would rate this like a 5 because technically this is something technically fun or something. When you're a kid, you probably might give this a 5. So you'll enjoy this ride a lot if you're a kid. And for adults it's also fun, but I probably would rate it a lower score because it doesn't really do much. But this is just like a typical family coaster. I really still enjoyed it a lot, but well, it's not my favorite. It's just like a family coaster. I wouldn't say I wouldn't enjoy it a lot. I would just enjoy it. I just enjoy it itself, but not a whole lot. This is not like an intense roller coaster. This is just meant for the families. I do like the trains. The trains do look cute on there. The fish on the cars. They look pretty cool. But other than that, there's probably not much theming on the coaster. But there's rock work next to it, so just a little bit of theming. But I absolutely still enjoyed the ride. Probably not as much as the others, but of course it's a family coaster. So have you ridden this before? Push comments below and I'll see you in the next. Peace out.